Y'all, this car grew back with another one here at RTB today. Y'all see we got that guy over there, that guy over here. We got a Scat Pack. We got the Lexus out here. We got a Mustang pulling up. But yeah, Fast Life Russ is getting some work done to his Camaro. So we gonna check that out in a second.
That motherfucker got a body.
Driving. Do y'all see that? Damn! Who was mad at him? A girl was mad at him and busted his window wide the fuck open. Pow! Damn, that's crazy. Drop the wheels off for Russ Customs. He gonna go ahead and get them things right for me. Y'all remember him? So
Yeah, man.
big shout out to Russ.
Veils, man.
He painting out here. He working. Yeah, so we gonna get a look at this when it's done. But I'm on the rush, so check y'all out next time.
Be in my hair.
We got RTB right here.
Scratching his ass. Sometimes that helps.
Fast Life, bro.
It's a fucking mess. Corey, why aren't you cleaning up?
Car's not slow.
Car
This
is
is
slow.
2019 GTI.
6-speed manual
With all
trans,
types of
2.0
upgrades.
turbo.
Oh, there you go.
I'm the Boulevard Bully.
I don't got much done to the car, man.
So we're about to get a test drive. And it's manual, y'all. For y'all people out there who hate sticks. I mean, who hate automatics. This is a manual.
Yes, it is. Can't play no music because we ain't trying to get copyrighted.
Yeah, no monetizations.
Nah, we don't need that.
Oh, yeah, we just out here chilling today. About to see what this GTI life is like.
Oh God, it's not all that. I'll tell you that right now.
I think it's good. I had the same motor
It
in
gets
the Audi.
it gets the job done,
I used to sag people down with that motherfucker.
but it's not up to my likings yet. I gotta get it to where I can
It's
actually.
putting a smile on your face.
We could do second gear.
Whatever good for you.
All right, do second gear 40. So 1, 2, 3.
Really? You fucking jackass.
For real. For real.
You fucking jackass.
What a bitch. What a straight hoe.
That's a jackass for you right there.
What a straight bitch.
Jackass.
I want to see if this SRT wants to play.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if he wants to.
Oh yeah, it's the girl.
It's a girl?
Yeah.
No, she's not going to, but
Yeah, she's talking.
yeah, she's on the phone.
She wants me.
So this will be a third gear, 60 mile an hour pull. 1, 2, 3.
Thing is quick and it's fast.
Like I said, it gets the job done, but it's not fast enough for me.
Trying to downplay his car. That's the owner right there. Like, nah, I'm really fast when I'm act like
It's not fast
slow.
enough. It's not fast enough.
Yeah, all right.
The goal of this build was actually to be a competition for V8s. Because, you know, there's a lot of V8s out there that think they're fast, and some of them, even V6s think that they're hella fast, and it's like, I think somebody needs to come out and tell you that you're slow as shit. So the whole build for this car was just take out V8s. Anything that's faster than me, I'm trying to be faster than it, and just go from there. And just keep building, keep processing everything else, and see where this car takes me.
Well, y'all heard it there first. This is my first time riding one of these. The ride's not bad at all.
It's smooth. It's actually really smooth. Stock, everything is stock suspension, stock brakes, stock wheels. The only thing that's upgraded, stage 2 clutch, billet remains still, Diesel Geek short shifter, AWE carbon fiber intake, IE turbo inlet, 3-inch catless downpipe, like you name it, it got it. And then right now I'm getting everything set up so I can get my high pressure fuel pump done, low pressure fuel pump done, and I'm going to be installing my IS38 upgraded turbo soon. So this car is going to be seeing some big changes, big power changes at that. The goal is for this car is to at least get 400, a little bit past 400 to the wheels, and I'll be set for right now.
Hey, it's gonna be a monster. The start of your beast now. This thing definitely moves. I don't care what you say. You would have kept up with my Q. Definitely would have been right there.
The Q is still fast though.
Yeah, but you would have kept up with it all.
Not a
I didn't have a lot done yet.
You gonna have a lot done now.
That's different.
But that's something the viewers can wait for
Yeah,
later.
they're waiting on that.
Wait for later.
They don't know nothing about that yet.
Y'all will soon find out what he has in store. And I'm telling you right now, good luck trying to beat him. It ain't gonna work out for you.
And I'll check y'all out later.